Welcome students of Form 4. Again, we're talking about villages, free presence and Crown Colony government while looking at evaluating, assessing and explaining. The topic is a bit different this time. We've had this. Wow. Yes, we've had this. Yes. And now we're going to look at assessing the contribution of free presence to society. Assessing the pros and cons, advantages and the disadvantages of the contribution of the free presence to society. With contribution, you mean what difference did they make? What did they bring to society? And how did they alter? How did they change society? And what were their strengths and what were their weaknesses while doing this? And the question is, explain in at least 5 sentences and by using 2 examples how peasants did not have political representation. They couldn't vote, they couldn't be elected, but still could be politically active. So there is a difference between those two, being represented and being politically active. Well, the answer is following. In the beginning, you return, as always, to the question. So this is referring back to the question. Peasants who did not have political representation could still be politically active by starting riots, organizing strikes, or marching towards the governor's office. This was often a reaction to discriminatory policies coming from the colonial offices or the colonial assemblies. These are strategies conscientiously organized and used, well thought of, to communicate their feelings and um, their not being satisfied, their anger to authorities about certain things. Normally, these feelings would be expressed by their representatives in assembly, but Afro-Caribbean peasants didn't have any political representation. They didn't have this, but Afro-Caribbean peasants didn't have any political representation because they couldn't vote, because they didn't, especially in the beginning, they didn't have any property. So they couldn't vote in the colonial assembly, in the old representative system. And because they didn't have any property, they couldn't be elected either. Yes, so they could be politically active by organizing strikes or marching towards the governor's office. Yes, so this is one example of the answer in 5 sentences. If I have time, I will retype this in other words, but actually its content will remain the same. Different words, same content actually. If you have questions, ask them below or during class, and I hope to see you next time.